Barefoot morning sky so white, sunrise painting golden light. Running through the paddy green, life was soft and sweet and clean. Cool canals that kissed our toes, chasing dreams where lotus grows. Paper boats and dragonflies, we wrote our stories in the skies. Oh, I come from the fields and the breeze, from the songs in the rustling trees, climbing high to taste the sun, from mangoes stolen just for fun, laughing loud beneath the rain, free of sorrow, free of pain. That was home, that was true. Oh, my childhood, I miss you.
Subscribe for more amazing videos.